In the previous video, we were introduced to gear trains. Now we are going to look at the direction of rotation of gears in a gear train. In this example, we know that gear A turns clockwise. We want to find the direction that gear B turns. Anytime teeth mesh between two separate gears in a gear train, they rotate in opposite directions. This must mean that since gear A rotates clockwise, gear B must rotate in the opposite direction, which is counterclockwise. Now we are going to apply the same idea of the last example to a larger gear train. Here, gear A turns clockwise, and we want to find the direction of rotation of gear B at the very end of our gear train. The two things to remember here are that any place gear teeth mesh, the gears rotate in opposite directions, and anytime you have two gears on the same shaft, they rotate in the same direction. We will go through gear by gear and show which direction each gear and shaft rotates. Since gear A rotates clockwise, this means that the smaller gear that it drives must rotate counterclockwise. Since the small gear rotates counterclockwise, and the gear that is on the same shaft as it also rotates counterclockwise. Next, we have teeth meshing, so these gears rotate in opposite directions, so this gear rotates clockwise. Next, this gear's teeth mesh with the smaller gear, so they rotate in opposite directions, meaning the small gear rotates counterclockwise. Since the small gear is on the same shaft as gear B must also rotate counterclockwise. Again, it is helpful to draw arrows to represent the direction of rotation for each gear. In the next video, we will look at the speed of rotation of gears in a gear train.